This is Engage New York, Module 4, Lesson 4. This is the problem set debrief. So let's go through and break down these problems. So here, remember you're supposed to draw a tape diagram to solve. This one was already done for us, but I went ahead and labeled this. Then we have 2 divide 3. So we have 2 wholes, and we're going to divide it into thirds. So 3 units divide 2 is equal to 2. I'm going to try to solve to get back to, I have to solve for just 1 unit. So 3 divide 3, what I do on one side, I have to do the other. 1 unit is equal to 2/3. Now I'm going to use the standard division format. 3 divide 2, 3 goes into 2 0 times, and I end up with 2/3. 3 times 2/3, 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3 takes me back to 2. Then I have 7 wholes divided by 5. 5 units is equal to 7. 5 divide 5, what I do on one side, I have to do the other. This brings me down to 1 unit is equal to 7/5. 7/5 is equal to 1 2/5. Here's the standard formula. Here is checking my answer, how I got there. Then 14 divide 5. So 5 units is equal to 14. I want to find out what 1 unit is equal to. So 5 divide 5 is going to give me 1 unit. What I do on one side, I do to the other. 14 over 5. 14 over 5 reduces down or simplifies down to 2 4/5. Then I have standard formula. 5 divide 14. 5 times 2 4/5. And it takes us back to 14. Then this goes with our chart that we did yesterday for our problem set. Here's our division expression. Here is the fraction. Between what 2 whole numbers is your answer? Here is standard algorithm. 6 divides 7, 6 over 7, between 0 and 1. Between 0 and 1, and then 7 goes into 6 0 times, and I end up with 6 7s. Then 55 divide 10. 55 over 10. This is going to be between the numbers 5 and 6. 10 divide 55 is 5 5/10, or 5 1/2. 32 divide 40 is 32 over 40. This answer is between 0 and 1. 40 goes into 32 0 times, and I end up with 32 over 40. Lastly, here are the word problems. So Greg spent $4 on 5 packs of sports cards. Here is 5 packs, $4. 5 units is equal to $4. I want to find out what 1 unit is equal to. So 5 divide 5, 4 divide 5, 1 unit is equal to 4/5. Now, we have to figure out money. How much did Greg spend on each pack? Well, 4/5 of $1, 4/5 of $1. So what do I have to multiply by? 5 times 20 is 100. 4 times 20 is 80. 80 over 100 is a decimal, and that decimal represents money, 80 cents. Greg spent 80 cents on each pack. Next, they changed the problem. They said, now you have 10 packs and only $2. So 10 units equal to $2. Divide by 10. Divide by 10. 1 unit is equal to 2/10, which is 1/5. So what is 1/5 of $1? So 1/5 of $1 is 5 times 20 equals 100. What I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 1 times 20 is 20 over 100, which equals 20 cents. He spent 20 cents on each pack. Then we're moving on to our bird feeder. 5 pounds of bird seed is used to fill 4 identical bird feeders. What fraction of the bird seed will be needed to fill each bird feeder? Well, there are 4 identical bird feeders, so 1/4 of the bird seed will be needed to fill each feeder, right? So 4 divide 4, 4 divide 1, and it's 1/4. Then how many pounds of birdseed are used to fill each feeder? Draw a tape diagram to show your thinking. Here's 4 units, 5 pounds. 4 units is equal to 5 pounds. 4 divide 4, 5 divide 4. 1 unit is 4/5 of a pound, 1 1/4 pounds. So 1 1/4 pounds of birdseed is used to fill each feeder. Then, lastly, how many ounces of birdseed are used to fill 3 bird feeders? So remember, we have to come back to 3 bird feeders. So 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. We have to take our answer from here. 1 1/4 pound is equal to, how many ounces? Well, 1 1/4 times 16 ounces, I can cross cancel and I get 20 ounces. So I know that 1 unit is equal to 20 ounces, but now I need to fill 3 bird feeders. So 3 units times is equal to 3 times 20. So it's like multiply by 3, multiply by 3. 3 units is equal to 3 times 20, 60 ounces. 60 ounces of birdseed to fill the feeders. All right, if there's anything that you need to go back and look at, this is where this problem takes you to the next level and where you have to take it and convert your fraction into money. And remembering everything that we've learned so far about fractions, decimals, and division, how they all go together. All right, this will do it for Lesson 4, Module 4, Lesson 4 Problem Set Debrief.